Neteller is a trusted and widely used e-wallet that makes online payments seamless and secure, especially for online gambling enthusiasts. With Neteller, you can easily deposit funds, manage your winnings, and enjoy a hassle-free online gaming experience. Let's see how to create an account and get started. First, head over to Neteller.com and click the Sign Up Now button. Choose your country of residence and select your preferred currency. Then click Next to proceed. Now, set up your login details. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Ensure your password is between 8 and 50 characters, includes at least one letter, one number or symbol, and is different from your email. If you want to receive offers from Neteller partners, check the box. Click Next to continue. Next, verify your email address. Enter the verification code sent to your email, then click Next. Now, it's time to fill in your personal details, such as your first and last name, date of birth, nationality, and occupation. Moving on, provide your address details, including your country of residence, address, postal code, and city. Next, select your country code and enter your phone number. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter this code to complete the verification. Congratulations! You've successfully created your account on Neteller. Now that you're logged in, you can add or withdraw funds, transfer money, convert between currencies, and trade cryptocurrencies. You can also check the Promotions tab for exclusive gambling bonuses at various casinos.